Hi again, Steve, Auto Hauler Supply, Flatbed Plus. Just want to talk to you about the 23,500 pound ramp kits. What you see here is the basic kit. If you want to come in here, Dave, we can show everybody. You got an 18-inch wide ramp, 8 foot long. It's got a pin down here. It's also got a little bit of a wedge there so you can get it to lay down flat on the ground. Then you got a pin on the top here where you go into your pyramids. You got a pin on the bottom here that pins in the pyramids from the top ramp. And you got a pin top on here, and that can go either on the steel weld-on bracket or the aluminum. I think on the kit we've got them as just a pair of aluminum skid mount brackets, but we can swap that out to steel if that's what your setup is. That's not a big deal. So anyway, this basic setup right here is going to hold 23,500 pounds per axle. Okay. This total set right here is going to be $4,388.95 per setup, just like you see here with the 2 pyramids, the 4 ramps, the pins, and the mounting, the skid mount brackets. Now, you may need to spend more than that. If your trailer does not have ramp hangers, you're probably going to want to invest in some of these bolt-on ramp hangers because you're going to want to store them somewhere and get them all and lock them up. So if you do need hangers, you're going to need 2 pairs because you got a total of 4 ramps. These are $325.98 a pair, so you would probably want 2 of these, and then you want 1 pair of the pyramid hangers. These are $363.99 a pair. We sell these separately as related products because a lot of guys already have the ramp hangers and the pyramid hangers, and they're just looking for replacements. So we don't include that in the basic kit. And if you already have pin mount brackets, we can deduct that from that $4,300 cost. Now, if you have, let's see. Oh, these are the, what the hell are these things? Are these the extras?
I think so.
Oh, screw it. Anyway, now, let's move right along. So, you got these sticks. If you want to get load levelers, right, you can turn these ramps, you can turn these up on their side, and you can make them load levelers for your step deck. Okay, so we've got a set of 18-inch. These are designed to go into your stake pockets. So you can flip your ramps up. You obviously need 1 on each side per ramp. And if you look here really closely, this is for your 3/8 grade 70 chain. You got to chain these things down, to have them support. These got an adjustment here. You pin them into place. Put that on the side. And we've got a basic setup here. These are set up with an 18-inch. For some reason that I don't yet fully understand, we also have 16-inch. So I think they sent some down by mistake. I don't have a price on that yet, but I will be getting that. These stake pocket kits, got here somewhere. So a kit of 2, so that's enough to do 2 ramps, and that's going to also include your lumber clips. Is going to be $573.40, and then we also have, if you kind of follow me down here, we have an option here if you need it for these spacers that can sit on the top if you want to make a little bit extra height, So, you have some flexibility there, and I'm sorry I don't have the price in front of me, but you can go to autohaulersupply.com, go to the flatbed section, aluminum ramps, and you can find that there. So, again, you got $4,388.95 for this kit over here, and then we've got all the other ones and related products that you can find, whether it be the ramp hangers and the pyramid hangers, or the load leveling kits with the spacers and the lumber clips that you're going to need. So we've got it all here. 2671 Freewood Drive, Dallas, Texas. Give us a call, 866-855-4285. And the person you probably want to talk to is Jacqueline. She used to work up at the ramp place. She's forgotten more than I'll ever know about ramps. So give us a call, 866-855-4285.